My name is Ralph Moore, Director of Fabrication at Holloway. I'm just between all the departments in the office, whether it's sales or engineering, project management, work real close with all of those folks. And then also with the layout department and the fabrication department too. Just moved into the director role. A lot more tie-in with the office than used to. The shop part's easy, the office is kind of new, so. Well, I've been married for 35 years to my wife, Kelly. We raised 3 girls, and out of the 3 girls, we have 5 grandsons and 2 granddaughters. There is no spare time when you have 7 grandchildren. We just enjoy getting the kids outside. We don't want these kids growing up on a computer screen, so they know anytime I'm around, there'll be no phones or computers, so we're outside doing something, whether it's bicycles or baseball or whatever's going on that week. So between one of the grandkids, they do pretty much everything. Well, I started in the industry right after high school, but also my dad started in the industry when he graduated high school. So my dad started doing welding and grinding stainless steel tanks in '69. Like we do here, I started off just as a helper, sweeping the floor, and did that for quite some time, and then transitioned into field service work, field fabrication work, built large tanks on site. One of the things that stuck with me as soon as I started, I came over and I'd done the interview and I came back and was sitting in the lobby. Pat, who started the place, came by and he said, "I hope you're here to work." I said, "I am." He said, "Well, what are you doing here out front?" I said, "Well, I'm waiting to unload my box." So he says, "Come on, I'll help you." Right off the bat, I was like, this place is gonna be different. Like, the owner of this place is unloading my toolbox for me on day one. One of the things Pat would always say, continually say, is take care of the people in your life, everything else will take care of itself. I would say that to everyone coming in, like, it's not as much about the skill set as it is the integrity. If you put your heart into it and try to treat the people around you right, be teachable, we will find somewhere for you to succeed. We've got guys that started out sweeping the floor that wanted to be welders. Some of those guys are grinders, some of them are shear and brake, some of them are engineering. A guy that handles himself well and treats others well and puts in 100% effort, we're gonna find the right spot for a guy. We look for integrity more than welding abilities, for sure. Everything's amazing at Holloway right now, and the group of younger guys that's coming up through, you know, you can see them kind of in 10 years younger than me and 10 years younger than that. The group that's coming up is really good guys. It's gonna do good things here.